जो देखन मैं चला बुरा ना मिलिया कोई, जो दिल खोजा आपना मुझसे बुरा ना कोई. Hi everyone, we are from SA News Canada and we are here in Montreal today to cover and observe both divas celebrated by the followers of Sant Rampalji Maharaj. As the followers believe that on this sacred day, their Guru Sant Rampalji Maharaj got the true spiritual knowledge Nam Diksha from his Guru. So now let's go inside and check the arrangements done by the followers and talk to them to get to know more about this divas.
आजा बंदे शरण राम की, फिर पाछे पछतावेगा भाई. आजा बंदे शरण राम की, फिर पाछे पछतावेगा. बालू की बीत पवन का खंबा, कब लग खैर मनावेगा. बालू की बीत पवन का खंबा, कब लग खैर मनावेगा. आजम तेरे घटनेंगे रे तू, राम कहने ना पावेगा. आजम तेरे घटनेंगे रे तू, राम कहने ना पावेगा भाई. आजा बंदे शरण राम की, फिर पछतावेगा. काल बलि तेरे सिर पर बैठा, ये बोझा पकड़ ले जावेगा. काल बलि तेरे सिर पर बैठा, बोझा पकड़ ले जावेगा. मात पिता तेरा कुटुंब कबीला, सारा खड़ा लखावेगा भाई. मात पिता तेरा कुटुंब कबीला, सारा खड़ा लखावेगा भाई. आजा बंदे शरण राम की, फिर पाछे पछतावेगा. धर्मराज तेरा लेखा लेगा, वहां क्या बात बनावेगा. धर्मराज तेरा लेखा लेगा, वहां क्या बात बनावेगा. लाल खंब से बंधा जागा, बिन सतगुरु कौन छुटावेगा. लाल खंब से बंधा जागा, बिन सतगुरु कौन छुटावेगा भाई. आजा बंदे शरण राम की, फिर पाछे पछतावेगा भाई. आजा बंदे शरण राम की, फिर पाछे पछतावेगा. दिया लिया तेरे संग चलेगा, या धरा ढक्या रह जावेगा. दिया लिया तेरे संग चलेगा, धरा ढक्या रह जावेगा. कहे कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, करनी के फल पावेगा. हाँ कहे कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, करनी के फल पावेगा भाई. आजा बंदे शरण राम की, फिर पाछे पछतावेगा भाई. आजा बंदे शरण राम की, फिर पाछे पछतावेगा.
What's your good name? Harpreet Das. Can you explain our viewers about this occasion and why it's important for the followers of Sant Rampalji Maharaj?
Bodh Divas is celebrated on February 17 every year to mark the day in 1988 when Sant Rampalji Maharaj received his spiritual initiation from his Guru Swami Ramdevanand Ji Maharaj. It is considered as spiritual rebirth from Sant Rampalji Maharaj because from this day onward he started his journey toward enlightenment and true scriptural knowledge. We all believe that Sant Rampalji Maharaj provide true way of worship to end our suffering and to achieve salvation. We all celebrate this day with continuous reading of scriptures, satsang, bhandara, all around the world.
So now, to understand this in a better way, let's talk to one of the followers of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Hello,
Sat Sahib Ji.
what's your name?
My name is Himani Dasi.
So we see a lot of preparations going around here. Can you explain us this?
Yeah, sure. As you can see, the venue has been designed a very disciplined manner. We can see the posters, banners explaining the message and purpose of today's program. There is also a designated area where devotees come and bow their head to show the respect and devotion towards Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj.
As I came to know, there is a Bhandara going on here. That's true?
Yes, we have made many cuisines made by clarified butter like ladduram, jalebiram, halwaram and many others.
Thank you.
Sat Sahib.
So let's talk to one more devotee now. Hello, sir.
Sat Sahib Ji,
What's your name?
Yogesh Das.
So, as a follower of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, what message do you want to give society through this occasion?
On this occasion, the Bodh Divas of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, I want to request everybody in the society that God Kabir has said that human life is very rare. It becomes truly successful only when a person comes under the guidance of a true Guru. Today, Kabir Sahib has come in the form of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. So I request everybody that take initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj and make their life successful and blessed.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts.
Sat Sahib Ji.
Overall, we can see that everything here has been arranged very smoothly by the followers. From the preparations to the way people are being guided, it shows a lot of coordination and teamwork. The volunteers have put a genuine effort to make sure everyone feel comfort and welcomed. And the environment here is calm and well organized. This is SN News Canada reporting from Montreal. Thank you for watching us.